coming to a comfortable seated position, sitting up nice and tall. Let's just close the eyes. Your hands can rest wherever feels natural. And taking a few deep breaths. Letting go of any tension in your face. And finding length through the spine, not trying to force ourselves into an uncomfortably tall position, but making sure we're alert and awake in the way we're sitting. So we'll move through 3 different types of pranayama, breath control. We'll start with Nadi Shodhana. So it's alternate nostril breathing. So we'll be blocking off our left and right nostril and using our fingers to do so. So using ring finger and pinky finger to block off the left and then thumb to block off the right. So you can either have hands down or you can place the middle 2 fingers on your third eye, which I prefer to do. I feel it kind of shuts me a bit more into the moment and makes me really focus on the breathing. So taking one more conscious breath. And then placing fingers as you wish. We're going to start with blocking off the left nostril. Inhaling through left. Blocking left, exhaling through right. Inhaling through right. Blocking, exhaling through left. Inhaling through left. Block, exhale through right. Inhale right. And exhale left. So continuing that in your own rhythm of breathing, closing the eyes, starting with the left side, going over to the right side. I won't guide you, I'll just let you feel your own rhythm. The next time you breathe out of your left nostril, letting your hand sink back down, breathing through both nostrils. Noticing the effects of the pranayama. How do you feel? Beautiful. We'll move on to our next pranayama, which is the humming bee pranayama. And we'll be blocking off our, I think it is called the tragus, part of our ear, with our fingers. You can close down the eyes and we're going to make a sound like a hum and it will sound like a bee. So we will be making a bit of sound through this. So on your inhale, breathing in, closing your eyes. And exhale, humming as you breathe out. Feeling the vibration in the back of the throat. Inhale, breathing in. Exhale, hum. Continuing your own breathing rhythm. Releasing your hands when you're ready, and just taking a few rounds of breath. Blinking open the eyes, and we'll move on to our final style of pranayama for today. And this one is a bit more of a fiery, energizing type of pranayama called Kapalabhati. And we will be inhaling as normal and then exhaling, really pushing out the air. So you don't need to do so much to inhale. The focus is really the strong exhale through the nose, and you'll be really pumping the stomach. So it can be nice to have a hand on the stomach to do so. You can close your eyes if you wish. So inhale, and then strong exhale. So the inhale happens automatically. All right, let's give it a go. Inhale, exhale. Big inhale. Hold at the top. And exhale, sigh it out. We'll do one more round like that. So lots of strong rounds of breathing, and then we'll have a breath hold at the end. So big inhale and begin. Inhale, hold, and exhale. Hands to heart center, bowing down towards yourself, thanking yourself for this time. Namaste.